Hi everybody, my name is Tom Solet and today I want to talk about GoodNotes 5, Nebo and Noteshelf 2. And I want to tell you this while I'm doing a bit of a walk in the South Germany here, so you can see a bit of the nature I'm surrounded of. Alright, GoodNotes 5. Some of you have seen maybe the blog post I recently posted on my website about GoodNotes 5 and the things I found out so far and what we know so far, and most of it is coming from Lars Bobach, who made a German review about note-taking apps and how the handwriting is and so on. And there you can see a glimpse of the GoodNotes 5 beta. So, well, you see a bit of a handwriting, which was quite disappointing, as it seems to be exactly the same as it was in GoodNotes 4. And you see the toolbar on top of it, which isn't exciting either. So maybe, or this doesn't mean anything, I think, as GoodNotes 5 wants to be a collaboration tool. So I think the real change you will see in GoodNotes 5 will be the option to collaborate on one note together. So if you want to see more details, just go to my blog and read about it, and I also will update it frequently as soon I know more about GoodNotes 5. And as of course, if it comes out, I will review this app and let you know how it is. Now let's talk about Nebo. Nebo recently got a really nice update about cloud sync. The thing is, many users complained about Nebo that there is no cloud sync function available for Nebo except Dropbox, and there was a syncing function with the MyScript account or something. I'm not remembering very well, but it doesn't matter because Nebo offers now iCloud synchronization and G drive synchronization. And I think that's a game changer for many of you out there. I'm sure about that. And they also made it more stable and also added a function where you can change the paragraphs on the fly. So definitely worth to check out. And now just a little update about Noteshelf 2. Noteshelf 2 got a major update again, and as you know, I'm reporting about Noteshelf 2 a lot already. Also on my website, I also publish the news all the time because they are releasing one major update after the other. So what they recently implemented was already the PDF, clickable hyperlinks and so on, and now you can import digital planners, which was only possible in GoodNotes so far. But now, well, I made a video about this already, where I compared the actual version of Noteshelf 2 and GoodNotes 4. So definitely worth to check out if you haven't seen it yet. But now they updated, after I released this video, they released another update, which now allows to use your Apple Watch. So if you think, well, a note-taking app, how should I use my Apple Watch for this? I can tell you, you can record audio with your Apple Watch now. And that's something I was doing already with Evernote, because you get an icon for Evernote on your Apple Watch too. So while I'm driving, especially, I'm using this feature because I get some ideas on my mind and I have to keep it in mind. So I just press on my Apple Watch and then I just record my audio so I can process it later. And now Noteshelf also makes this available, so you can use your Apple Watch to record the audio as well. So that's really something amazing. So yeah, that's it so far. So I think it was important for me to make this vlog because these are quite important updates, but I think it's not worth to make a long video about it. So I just wanted to let my community know I'm planning to do such vlogs on a more regular basis, so you really stay up to date with the newest releases of updates and new releases of apps. Okay, so I see you next time. Thanks.